Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today is the second part to the SHEIN try-on haul as promised. Thank you guys for showing so much love to the last couple of videos that I made for SHEIN try-on hauls. I love it here. I love bringing my fashion content to YouTube and it getting so much love. It makes my heart so happy. Before we get started, this is a Love Me unit. I'll have it linked and I'll have a link down below. It's a bob unit. I did just like cut a little bit off in the front because it was kind of inverted, but we're not going to ramble. We're going to go ahead and get started on this video. I'm so happy. So let's try on some clothes. Let me turn the fan on, y'all, because it always be getting hot with these lights and everything that be going on. But at this point I'm rambling. So guys, so this is the first outfit. It's these jeans that I absolutely love. They're kind of like this wide leg. They're not actually wide leg, they're straight leg, but I love the distressedness of it. I love this top. Like, it's kind of a ribbed it out. I did order this in a size 6 because that was the largest size that they had in this sweater. But I absolutely love the fit of it. It's super stretchy, so I could have probably done a 4 if I wanted a more tight fitted look. But I think this is so cute, and I will pair this with some. I got some brown Sambas, Adidas Sambas for the fall and winter time that I cannot wait to pair these with. But yeah, here's the first outfit, and we love her. All right, guys. So this next outfit is everything. It's this leopard dress, and it has pockets, which is the best thing about it. It has a black button on the side, and the back of the dress is elastic. It has a collar. It fits perfect. I love how A-line it is, and I love where it hits on right above my ankles. So you can wear this with some boots and a cardigan in the fall time or even the summertime. So it's a good transition between, because right here in Louisiana, it's still super hot. So I love this. This is so cute. We're off to a good start with SHEIN, girl. So excited. All right, so next we have this. It's not a two-piece. It did not come together, but I did pair it together because when I saw this, like, I don't know, this is very good quality. This vest, sleeveless jacket vest with the button up. This is from the brand Missguided, and Missguided on SHEIN never misses. I love the quality of it. This is fake pockets. What? Oh, girl, wait, you gotta cut it. This is real pockets in the front. And then I paired it with these leopard pants. Now the pants are more on the thinner side, very breathable. So again, perfect for the transition from where are we at, girl? From the fall to the summertime. I really like this outfit, and y'all know that like leopard is in this fall, so that's why I ordered so much leopard. But girl, SHEIN. All right, so next we have this jacket. It's kind of like the seersucker look or pinstripe look. I don't know what you call it, but I think this screams more spring than it would summer. I mean, yeah, than it would fall and autumn. So this is something that I will keep in rotation for next season, but I love it paired with these same jeans that we tried on earlier with the rippedness of it. This jacket is very thin. Very thin. So much so that when I opened the package and ironed it, I was like, yeah, I'm not keeping this. But now that I tried on, I'm like, I like the way it fits. So I think this is good for like the spring and the summertime. I wouldn't recommend wearing this for the fall and winter. I just said that. I'm saying it again. But I think the outfit is super cute if I had to go and speak at a conference. If I had to go, which I know I don't do public speaking. But if I had to do any of that, this is something that I will wear it to. Probably not church appropriate because of the holes in the jeans, depending on your vibe in your church. But I just personally wouldn't wear it to church. But I mean, this could be a cute date night. It could be a lot of things, whatever you want it to be. But what I do know it is that it's super duper cute. So I'm gonna keep this. This is a keeper. All right. So next up is this. This top is not from SHEIN, but I'm sure I can find a dupe to it on there. This top is from Amazon. But I have this skirt. It's super long. I am 5'5", and it's really long with me. I have to wear this with heels. Originally I was going to return it because it's so long. But I've seen girls style super long skirts and with heels, and it looked cute because you want it to be floor length, but I'm clumsy, so I see myself falling and tripping with wearing heels and a long skirt. I just don't think it's set up for me. That ain't my ministry. So I think it's really cute, and I love this. I don't know, what is this? Not leopard. Whatever print this is, not snakeskin. It is leopard. Thank you, Mala. It's a leopard print, but of course in my favorite color, which is what, Mala? Green. Green! We love that. So, yeah, I don't know, I was going to keep the skirt, but I really don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think about the skirt? Keep it or return it? I don't know. All right, guys. So this next outfit is a green monochromatic. Again, I was going to return this shirt when I was ironing it and steaming it because I was like, this is not what I thought it would be. But I actually kind of like the way it looks. I just got to figure out how to do this belt because I know I have it twisted on the side, but I got to figure out how to do this belt. But if I kept it tied to the back, then maybe it could be a look. I don't know how I feel about it, but I don't know if I should keep it. Y'all let me know. Like, I'm in the try-on room and y'all telling me, yeah, girl, keep it, or no, pass on the green. So the pants fit really good. I like it. The quality is mid. I couldn't say high quality, wouldn't say thin or cheap, but they are keep worthy, so I will be keeping the pants. But I don't know, green's my favorite color, and I kind of like wearing monochromatic green, so that's kind of where we at. I don't know. Let me know if I should keep this top. The pants I'm keeping, I don't know, keep the top or return the top. Y'all help me out.
I want to like keep the top because if you like, they have a little thing on the back.
Oh, so for me to adjust it? Thank you, Mala. I appreciate you. I don't know what I would do without you, girl. All right, you guys. So this next outfit, is my camera overheating on me again? I gotta hurry up. So there's the next outfit. It is these jeans that I love the fit of these. I like the asymmetrical part at the bottom in the jean part. This top is, I want to say, kind of mid-tier. It's not super high. I mean, not super thick, but it's not super thin. But I think it is appropriate for, again, the transition between the two. I like these two colors together. What do you guys think? I don't care what y'all, I mean, I do care what y'all think. Girl, that sound harsh. Asking the people what they think and they say, I don't care what y'all think. What I'm trying to say is that I've already decided I'm going to keep this outfit because I really, really like her. I hope y'all like her too, but I like her. Put some mules on with this. This is a Friday teacher outfit. This is a going out run errands outfit. This is, I tried to put myself together today outfit. Cute. Yes, I fell in love with this. So this chunky knit sweater, this quality is 15 out of 10. This will and does keep you warm. I actually like the color of it. It screams fall. I could put this with a leopard skirt. Could put these with the jeans that I have on. The possibilities are endless. They do have functional buttons, so if you wanted to unbutton it or wear it as a cardigan, you can. So the possibilities of this is endless as well. If you wanted to crop it up, you could do that. If you wanted to be modest, you could do that. You can do a lot of things. And I like that it's short sleeve because, again, it is a thick quality, but it still lets you breathe because it's not a full sleeve. So we love her. All right, so this next one I won't keep on long because I already know this is going back. The material is super thin. This is like, this is not, no. I don't even know why they sell this because, I mean, look at the inside. This is just not, I don't know. It's just, yeah. No, we're going to move on. This is going to be returned.
So all those clothes that's over there is going to be returned?
No, just those clothes right there is going to be returned. And this is the black one. This is it in black. And again, the same material. I kind of like the way this one look a little bit more, but it's the same. It's just the material for me. It's giving cheap. It's giving.
You could put a different shirt on it.
I don't like it. Like, I'm not even going to try to import footage of me wearing it. It's just know that this was a no for me. All right, girl, last but not least, I bought these pants because these are the dupe to a high-end pants. I'm going to put them on either side of it. But these are the dupe to some really expensive leopard pants. And they kind of favor a little bit of the pajama because of the different print that's on the waistband and the button area. But I actually like them. They're super thin, so don't expect Abercrombie material with a SHEIN budget. So I like them, and I think they'll do what they need to do, which is more of a fashion statement for the fall because, again, leopard is on trend for the fall. I do like pretty much everything that I purchased on this SHEIN haul. So let me pick the camera up. I pretty much like everything that I purchased on the SHEIN haul except the jackets. I'm out of breath, girl. Who knew trying on clothes would wear you out like this, girl? I'm a little winded. But anyways, it's early in the morning. I have to go to work, y'all, and it's 7:31. This girls I go to school by 7:45. So I need to go ahead and head out the door. But yeah, every item on this haul will be linked on my LTK and down in the description box. So be sure to check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found some inspiration, some pieces, and I hope you enjoyed the hits and the misses in this. All of my fashion videos will be complete honesty. That's just me, period. My character. I ain't gotta sell that. If you follow me, then you already know. But if you like vlogs, if you like fashion, if you like beauty, you like makeup, you like reviews, girl, stick around and subscribe to my channel. Become a part of the Ruby family is what I call my supporters is the Rubies. But yeah, I'm not gonna continue to ramble. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe to my channel on your way out. And I love you. Bye.